Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Are you ready to add a burst of color to your garden this spring? Well, you're the right place. Today, we're diving into the best spring flowers perfectly suited for the East Coast weather and soil in the USA. First up, let's talk about the lovely tulip. These beauties are a classic spring flower, offering a wide range of colors and shapes to choose from. Tulips thrive in the cool temperatures of early spring, making them a perfect choice for East Coast gardens. Just make sure to plant them in well-drained soil and give them plenty of sunlight. Next on our list are daffodils. These cheerful flowers are known for their bright yellow blooms that signal the arrival of spring. Daffodils are incredibly easy to grow and are quite resilient to the unpredictable weather often found on the East Coast. They prefer slightly acidic soil and can even tolerate some shade. Now, let's not forget about hyacinths. These fragrant flowers come in a variety of colors and are sure to add a delightful aroma to your garden. Hyacinths prefer rich, well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Plant them in the fall for a spectacular display come springtime. Moving along, we have the stunning iris. With their elegant blooms and vibrant colors, irises are a favorite among gardeners. These hardy perennials can withstand a range of temperatures and soil conditions, making them well-suited for East Coast gardens. Be sure to plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Another fantastic option for your spring garden is the peony. Known for their large, lush blooms, peonies are sure to make a statement. These perennial flowers thrive in the cooler temperatures of spring and can tolerate a variety of soil types. For best results, plant them in a sunny location with well-drained soil. And let's not overlook the vibrant azalea. These flowering shrubs are a staple in many East Coast gardens, thanks to their stunning blooms and evergreen foliage. Azaleas prefer acidic soil and partial shade, making them perfect for those shady spots in your garden. Last but certainly not least, we have the cheerful pansy. These colorful flowers are known for their ability to brighten up any garden with their charming blooms. Pansies are incredibly versatile and can tolerate a range of temperatures and soil conditions, making them an excellent choice for East Coast gardens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips.